and welcome. Today we will be making cream puff 3 ways. We will be making one plain, one glazed, and one with a filling. So without further ado, here are the ingredients that you will need. For the cream puff dough, you will need 1 cup water, 1 stick butter, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 cup flour, and 4 eggs. In a medium-low heat, pour in the water in the saucepan, followed by the butter. Melt the butter and then add the salt and sugar. When small bubbles appear, pour in the flour. Mix this continuously. Cook this for 3 to 5 minutes or until it forms a film. Cool the dough before adding the eggs, so that the eggs will not be cooked while mixing. Gradually add the eggs in the cooled dough, mixing until all is incorporated together. The eggs will be the main leavening agent for our cream puff. You will know that it is ready for piping when it holds stiff peaks. Pour this in a piping bag. Line your baking pan with parchment paper. If you don't have a parchment paper, brush your pan with butter. In piping your cream puff, you have to do a swirling motion. If you get pointy ends, pat it with a wet finger. Brush the cream puffs with egg wash. Bake this for 25 to 30 minutes in a 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius temperature. Do not open the oven while baking so that the heat circulation will not change. For the mango whipped cream, you will need 1 piece mashed mango, 1/2 cup whipped cream. Add the mashed mango in the whipped cream. Folding it until all is incorporated together. Poke a hole under the cream puff and pipe in the mango whipped cream. Dust the mango cream puff with powdered sugar. For the chocolate ganache, you will need 1/2 cup all-purpose cream and 1/2 cup chopped chocolate. Melt this in a double broiler until the cream and the chocolate is combined. Dip the cream puff halfway through the ganache. And add grated chocolate on top. And there you have it! You can now enjoy your cream puff 3 ways. Thanks for watching!